What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a super exciting video for you guys today. I'm going to be giving a first impression / review on Hismile, the teeth whitening kit. I'm super excited about this video. I hope you guys are too. If you haven't heard about this product or this teeth whitening kit before, I see it all over Instagram and I've always wanted to try it, but I never did, and then I was like, it's time. So I'm gonna test this out for you. I'm gonna do my whole journey with it. It is 6 days that I have in here, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me and tell you if it's worth it or not. Don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more, and let's just get right on into it. So I brushed my teeth and took off my lipstick so I didn't get it all over this guard, but first I'm going to talk about the packaging of this because I am really impressed with the packaging. The only problem I do have with it is it did come a little dented, but that's not their fault, that is whoever delivered it. But I absolutely love the packaging. This is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like, and it's super cute, and I like when I open it, it's like magnetic and like love. Like, honestly, that made me, I was so excited. I opened it and I was like, oh my god, like, what? So yeah, when you open it up, it's gonna look like this, which I think is, the packaging is so neat. And honestly, packaging is everything to me. And it comes with all the instructions you have and like this little pulley up thingy. Hismile results and share your before and after. Okay. So this is what the card looks like. And I'm super excited to see how my teeth come out. So here's how it works. Okay, so first step is gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. I did that. I didn't film it, but I did brush my teeth. Take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic, and okay, we're gonna attach the mouth guard, apply 1/4 of a syringe. Okay, apply 1/4 of the syringe of the whitening gel on top and also of the bottom of the mouth guard. Relax and let the whitening process begin. 10 minutes. Rinse mouth with warm water to get any of the residue out, and then you smile. The tips they give you is to daily use is recommended for best results. Limit the intake of dark colored foods, beverages such as wines, coffee, tea before and after application. Apply pressure to the mouth guard while whitening, and it said let's go. So I don't know if you guys want to take a screenshot of that for yourself. So we got Step 2, take battery out of the LED light. There we go. Take the battery out. Remove the plastic. What was that noise? Okay, close. Come on. My nails are in the way. Okay. So, step 3, done. Apply 1/4 of the syringe of the whitening gel on top and also of the bottom of the mouth tray. Okay, so I'm gonna open this back up, take out my, I don't think it matters which one I use first, but I'm gonna take the top one out first because that'll just make me, this is what it looks like, and I think it's so cute, like, okay, so we have to apply 1/4. So there's this cap on it that I gotta take off. Guys, I'm easily fascinated by like the littlest things. Okay, now we gotta apply here. So I'm not gonna do a lot. Okay, there's one side, and now I'm gonna do the back side. Okay, now that that's on, I'm gonna cap this back up so I don't use any more. Then it says relax and let the whitening process begin. Okay, so I guess. Hey guys, so day 1 is done. I'm sorry you had to see that clip, but I thought I just might as well leave it in because it's like honestly the truth. So while I was waiting my 10 minutes, you saw I was just watching videos on my iPad. And I put it in and I let it sit there. You have to make sure you put a little pressure on it. So that's exactly what I did. I pressed the button and it dings when it's done and the light goes off. And honestly, the teeth whitening stuff tasted pretty good. But like, you're not allowed, like, you can swallow it, I think, but I was just trying not to because I needed my teeth whitened, but it was so good. It tasted like toothpaste. So there was no like weird like taste to it. It didn't taste bad at all. It tasted really, really good. And then it didn't hurt while I was in there. You just couldn't really talk and you were kind of drooling a lot, but that's just me probably. And yeah, it's really, really easy to use and I can't wait to continue this journey with you guys. So that is the end of day 1 and I'll be back with you tomorrow for day 2. Hey guys, so it's day 2. I'm speaking kind of quietly because it's kind of late and I'm doing this really late because I had a full day of events today. So I'm gonna do what I did yesterday and I'm gonna whiten my teeth. And yeah, I'm gonna let it do the 10 minutes and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, so day 2 is done. I just took it out and I didn't want to show you guys on camera again because literally the same amount of drool that came out last time came out this time, so nothing has changed. So yeah, I'll come back with you when it's time for day 3. It's day 3 of the whitening and I'm just gonna do it really quick. I don't think I have to show you anymore because you pretty much know what's going on, so I'm gonna do this. Then yeah, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back with you guys. Let's finish day 3, so we have 3 more days to go and then I'll talk about my experience in the end. It's day 4 of teeth whitening and I already have the gel on here and I'm going to leave it on for 10 more minutes, and right now I have been seeing a result. My teeth look so much whiter than they did before and I'm actually like really, really impressed because I really wanted this to work and it is. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna let this go on for 10 minutes like I have been doing for the last couple of days. And then I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Welcome to day 5 of my teeth whitening journey with Hismile teeth whitener. So I already did the gel like I did yesterday and I'm just gonna go ahead, do it, wait the 10 minutes because I gotta get ready for school. So I'm gonna do my makeup while I whiten my teeth and then I'll be back with you for the last day tomorrow. Guys, it's the last day of the Hismile teeth whitening treatment, so I'm gonna finish my last day and then talk to you about my experience with it. My teeth journey has come to an end. I just completed the last day, which was the 6th day, so I'm gonna just do something short and quick telling you my journey and how I liked it, the disadvantages and all that, because this video is already long enough. But I actually really, really liked this product. I was a little skeptical at first, just because I didn't understand how it really whitened my teeth. But my teeth did get whiter, so that's a plus. So it really does work, and I love it to death. So I probably will purchase it again in the future. I don't feel like 6 days is really enough, honestly, but that's just my opinion. I feel like just a little more would be perfect, but I just got the 6-day one and maybe I'll do a longer one in the future. But thanks for watching this, guys. The taste wasn't bad at all. It was great, quick and easy. I was on my phone while it was whitening. I would do stuff while it was whitening. It was really, really easy and awesome. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want this product, the links will be down below. I can't speak today. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and yeah, bye.